Punisher shower steamers. Hi guys, this is Jen from Jen Spice and Jentle Soaps, and today I am going to be making Punisher shower steamers. Now this is a recipe given to me for Christmas from my friend Cheryl Tabor, and I'm going to get permission to post it below or find out if she wants you to contact her, because it's not my recipe, but it's pretty awesome and pretty simple, and we're going to be testing it, and I will let you know how it works. It's supposed to be a reusable shower steamer, so you're going to be able to take several different showers and not have it all gone in at once. You'll have 2 or 3 different showers with this one shower steamer. Now I'm making it quite large, so I might even get more than I need to. So we're going to start with 6 giant bombs. This can be ordered special order, or you can get it in a donut. There'll be all sorts of, you'll see a lot more of these shower steamers coming up, because a lot of my friends are shower people, not bath people. So let's get started with this. And it's basically made with 2 ingredients. Can anybody guess what those are? Starch and bicarb. So let's measure out some starch and bicarb. Okay, there's my bicarb. And there's my starch. Okay, now to this I am going to add enough water to get it to stick in my molds. Okay, now if you want to add something good for the feet, you can, because that was my first improvement to this recipe. I mean, if you're making something for the feet, why not make it wonderful for the feet? These are going to be just the basic balm before I start playing with it. And thank you so much, Cheryl, for sharing your recipe with me. I am so stoked about this. These will be in my store and available for sale this quarter. This is the Antihero series for January, February, and March. So expect at least 2 new Antihero products each month. Or more. I might put more. I will also have pre-buys coming in for the wow, this is neat. This is really cool. Now I'm going to try different ways of doing this. Feel free to play yourselves. I mean, once you have something to start with, it's amazing what you can create. Now this is holding together, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to just do that long term. So we need to create a binder, and I am going to just use what Michelle suggested, which was distilled water, which I always have here in my beaker. My very clean cup. And we'll see. Cup. This is doing strange things. We'll add just a little bit more. You don't want to make oobleck, because whenever you have a starch and water, there's always a chance it would just make oobleck. And no, I am not wanting to make oobleck today. Now you might want to, by the feel of this, it's quite lumpy. So you might want to use beaters. Now I'm going to get out my beaters and just beater this up really good. And then we're going to pack it into these molds, tap it out, hopefully that will go well, and put it in the oven to dry. Alright, so let's see, it was packing together pretty good, but I know there is liquid in there to bake out. So we're going to go with that, okay? Now my design is white, so this works out perfectly. I can just pack them and tap them like we are. So I'm just going to fill my molds. And I'm thinking I'll probably just get 3 this time. It's just like making bath bombs. I'm going to recommend, even though this isn't my recipe, you pack it in nice and tight. Because you want that design, right? And you don't want any lumpies, because if you don't have a perfectly flat surface, it's going to crack. Just like a bath bomb, I'm guessing. I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure. Just from, you know, experience. So that one's nice and flat. This one I'm going to put it on there. And the best thing about this is it costs about half as much as making your bath bombs, which is amazing. Thank you very much, Cheryl. And you're not going to lose your fragrance because you're putting it on after. Okay, so I'm just going to shake my excess carefully back into my bucket. Leave those there to sit for a minute while I clean up. Now you don't want to add bubbles and you don't want to add oils to this because it's, you know, going into a place where people are standing, right? So let's see what we get. I've watched my friend Nicole and Wayne do these and they bang them. This is my first attempt at using this particular mold. So let's see. Okay, so we're going to stick these in the oven, let them bake, and come back, paint them, and scent these Punisher shower streamers. All right, so we've done some testing, and we did a couple of different water amounts, and we found that this worked fairly well if you have a hard packed mold and you bake it for a lower temperature for a long time. Okay, higher temperatures tend to scorch, and more water also makes it harder. So these will fracture, but these won't. So we're going to paint these up and enjoy them, and I will make them again with more water and show you what that looks like, okay? Super, super fun. So, all right, let's do some Punisher painting. Alrighty, so let me grab, oops, my brush. And we are just going to make lines. So we are going to mess this up a little bit. And these I'm going to crumble and do again. But I just wanted to show you this really quick so you can see Finish balm. I'm gonna make some guns here. There we go. And the eyes. And the eyes. Now these particular shower steamers will actually have a little bit of color in your bath, but they're not going to stain your bath. You will get a nice purple in the shower. Let me do some of these. You can see. Some of the detail here. It's kind of fun. There we go. All right. Punisher. Let me pick him up so you can see him. Punisher shower steamers. Woohoo! That's awesome. Okay, if you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. These can now be fragranced. I'll flip them over and put the fragrance on the back. And I'll just show you really quick how that works. My kids really, really like lavender. But I wanted to try, we've already done some lavenders. Let's do this one in olive oil and bergamot. So you want fresh, I like fresh scents in my bath, so I'm just going to put like 10 drops. That's what we're looking at right there. Let it soak in overnight. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll see y'all next time. Bye for now, guys. Please click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Very quick crafting. Bath bombs don't take as much time as soap, so it's a lot of a waiting game here. But these are for the shower, so these are shower steamers. I really like this size. It's super cute, but I gotta figure out a way to make it cuter and maybe not bake them quite so hard. Bye for now.